Ready? Light it up. Okay. That's good. All right, it's lit. We've got isopropyl alcohol in here, and we're heating up this engine to cause some compression. All right, give it a whirl. Give it a spin. Is it good enough yet? It's not heated up yet. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's lit. We've got power. The flywheel's right there. There's the motor. And let's put the light on. And it's running off the alcohol. And you've got the running at 7,200 RPMs. You put it in there. There we go. We've got power. Power in this light bulb. I've been playing with it a little bit, figuring out how it runs, but it'll just keep running, and if you blow out the flame. Blow out the flame, it starts to go down in speed. Unless you light it. Light it up. Hurry, we need power. There we go, that's good. And it'll start speeding up again. So pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.